If you are at the age of 49, that means you're about to reach the big 5-0, then this video is going to be definitely for you, because we're going to address the elephant that is in the room that no one likes to talk about. So please enjoy the video. All right, I'm 50, I have a CDL license, and we are required as CDL drivers to get a physical schedule so we can keep a medical card with our records that we are able to drive on the road. So I asked my doctor, I said, what are my options? I don't want to get scoped. Hopefully I don't have to drink all that liquid to get the process started. She asked me if I had any family history of colon cancer, and I told her no. So she said the option also could be the Cologuard screening. I said, hey, I'm all about that. So what I did, I found out that it's completely 100% paid for. So I ordered the kit through the nurse, and it came to my home, and it's from Exact Science Laboratories. And when I received the kit, the letter that came with it was, timely screening for colorectal cancer is essential to your health journey. We have received your Cologuard order from your health provider. Our goal is to ensure that your screening is easy and comfortable as possible. With Cologuard, there is no prep, no time, no need for time off or changes to your diet or medication. We can collect your sample. You can collect your sample in the privacy of your home. Using Cologuard is easy as it gets. Go and it's gone. So the get is Cologuard's on its way. When your Cologuard collection kit arrives, please place it in your bathroom so you'll be set when you're ready to provide your sample. The go is you'll get a Cologuard patient guide with step-by-step instructions in your kit. The Cologuard, the box you receive is also the box you will send back with the sample. The inner bag stays in the box, so please don't remove that part. It's actually glued down. Many people wonder how much of a sample is needed. For us, the test you sample, it should be no larger than a bottle of liquid that comes in the kit. It says don't forget to fill out and attach the labels inside the kit. It is important that you include your name exactly as written on the shipping label, your date of birth, and the time and date of your collection, and attach them to the sample container in the box. It says when it's gone, you ship your sample to us within 1 day of collection. Follow the detailed shipping instructions included in your kit. Using a prepaid and pre-addressed return label, you can either drop your sample off at a UPS location or call us directly for pickup. So it comes in a box exactly like this, and let's open it up. It's got the labels right here for you. A book with instructions on exactly how to do it. The bag is blue. The part here you put on underneath your toilet lid. It says place under your seat. Do your business in this thing here, this container. I'm like, ugh. To me, I'm like, that's nasty, but I gotta get done. And then you have to use this to take a sample of your stool. It's like another, but it's got to be done. Either you're going to do it or someone else is going to do it for you. And then they have this liquid to pour inside of this container here. Yeah, it might be like a gross process, but it has to be done because colon cancer does happen and people have died from it. Another thing, this is for men especially, get a physical, because most men don't get a physical and it's too late to find out if you have cancer. So take time out to get your physical done. Yeah, so that's about it. Schedule your colon cancer, your colonoscopy, or use the Cologuard, whatever your doctor recommends. Make sure you're healthy, because you never know. We all have a chance to get cancer. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and have a great day.